Hello, and welcome to this week's Middle East AI News Roundup. My name is Ant. Saudi Arabia has announced its new personal data protection law, aiming to safeguard personal data and prevent collection and processing without the consent of the user. The new law is set to be implemented within the next 6 months. The UAE announced plans for a federal data protection law last week. Despite high internet penetration rates, there has previously been no comprehensive law governing the use of personal data in Saudi Arabia or the Emirates. The new laws will mean that many companies operating in the region will need to review their data policies and practices. Dubai Health Authority has announced Dubai's first artificial intelligence policy for the healthcare sector. The new policy was developed in recognition of the need for AI healthcare solutions to be safe and secure for patients and to require supervision and monitoring by professionals. According to the authority, the AI policy provides a legislative and regulatory framework to help determine requirements for the use of AI technologies in healthcare-related services, solutions, including research and development. Saudi Arabia intends to focus more of its defense spending on research and development and acquisitions over the next decade. This according to remarks made by the governor of the kingdom's General Authority for Military Industries, or GAMI, this week. The government has set a goal to increase domestic defense production to account for 50% of its defense spending by 2030. Although its defense budget has been cut back in recent years, Saudi Arabia remains one of the world's top spenders on defense. And finally, the Bahrain Center for Strategic, International, and Energy Studies, Darasat, and the Nasser Vocational Training Center NVTC this week signed an agreement to establish the Nasser Artificial Intelligence Research and Development Center in Bahrain. The new center will focus on local market needs, defining promising research projects, and developing AI applications. The center will also help train Bahraini youth in AI technologies. And that's all we have time for this week. Thanks for watching. For more information, more stories, and useful links, subscribe to the weekly newsletter, delivered straight to your inbox every Thursday morning. Visit MiddleEastAINews.com to subscribe. That's MiddleEastAINews.com. Thanks for watching. See you next week.